Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up American Express online access for your card. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up American Express online access for your card, begin by visiting the official American Express website. Once on the home page, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner. Click the login button. On the login page, find the option that says Not a Member. Register now and click on it. You will be redirected to the registration page. Here, enter your 15-digit card number in the designated field. Next, provide your billing zip code. Then, enter your social security number or another identification number as required. After that, click the Continue button to proceed. You will now be prompted to create an online ID and password. Make sure to choose a strong password that meets the security requirements presented. Follow the prompts to complete the registration process. Once registered, you will receive a confirmation email. Check your email for the confirmation link and click on it to verify your account. Now, you can return to the American Express login page. Enter your newly created online ID and password. Click the login button to access your account. Congratulations, you have successfully set up American Express online access for your card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.